Welcome to your transformation. This isn't just another sales course. It's a masterclass in human connection, persuasion, and professional influence. Selling, at its core, is not about pushing a product. It's about understanding people, solving problems, and guiding decisions. It's the skill that builds businesses, moves industries, and changes lives. Zig Ziglar once said, "Every sale has 5 basic obstacles. No need, no money, no hurry, no desire, no trust." Mastering sales means learning to dissolve each of those obstacles, with empathy, insight, and strategy. That's what this training is designed to teach you. You are about to learn how to sell anything to anyone, not through manipulation or pressure, but through psychology, communication, and adaptability. The world's best salespeople don't rely on luck or charm. They follow proven frameworks, repeatable habits, and a deep understanding of what drives human behavior. This training is built to take you from beginner to master, step by step, skill by skill. Each module builds on the last, turning theory into instinct and structure into art. By the end of it, you won't just know how to sell, you'll know how to lead conversations, create trust, and move people to action. As Daniel H. Pink, author of To Sell is Human, wrote, "We're all in sales now." Whether you're selling a product, an idea, or yourself, persuasion is the most valuable skill in the modern world. This program helps you develop it in a way that feels authentic, natural, and powerful. Let's explore what this journey includes. You'll begin by mastering foundations, the mindset and psychology behind selling. You'll learn how to understand people, build instant rapport, and earn trust without effort. Then you'll move into communication mastery. How to listen deeply, ask the right questions, and uncover what truly motivates your buyers. From there, you'll learn how to frame value, how to turn features into benefits and connect your offer directly to what matters most to the client. You'll practice storytelling that sells, where short, real stories replace hard pitches and turn logic into emotion. Then comes the turning point: objection handling and closing. You'll discover how to turn no into not yet, how to lead conversations confidently, and how to close deals without sounding pushy. You'll also master negotiation and packaging, learning to create win-win deals that protect your margin while making your clients feel they've won. From there, we'll move into prospecting, follow-up, and pipeline discipline, the daily habits that separate top performers from everyone else. You'll learn how to structure your schedule, track your deals, and stay consistent. Remember, as Grant Cardone said, "The fortune is in the follow-up." Next, you'll build your presence. How to use your body, your voice, and your writing to project confidence, authority, and warmth in every interaction. You'll discover how great communicators make people listen before they even speak. Finally, you'll tie it all together with the Adaptive Sales Playbook, a complete, dynamic system you can apply in any situation. Like Lego blocks, each step connects seamlessly with the next. You'll be able to walk into any meeting, with a CEO, a technical expert, or a skeptical buyer, and lead with clarity, confidence, and control. By the end of this training, you will be able to build instant rapport with anyone, anywhere, uncover deep buyer needs through masterful questioning, present your value clearly, memorably, and persuasively, handle objections smoothly and turn hesitation into momentum, close deals confidently and consistently, without pressure, negotiate like a professional, protecting your value while creating win-win outcomes. Maintain a disciplined pipeline where every opportunity has direction and purpose. Communicate with authority, through your voice, body language, and writing. Adapt instantly to any situation, personality, or challenge. This course is built on timeless wisdom and modern strategy. It blends the principles of Dale Carnegie, Brian Tracy, Zig Ziglar, Chris Voss, and Daniel Pink into a practical system designed for today's competitive world. It's more than training, it's transformation. As Napoleon Hill wrote in Think and Grow Rich, whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. The same applies to sales. With the right mindset, tools, and practice, there's no limit to what you can accomplish. Selling is not a job, it's a life skill. It's the ability to inspire confidence, influence outcomes, and create value wherever you go. When you master it, every conversation becomes an opportunity, Every person becomes a potential ally, and every goal becomes achievable. So welcome to the journey. By the time you reach the end, you won't just be a salesperson. You'll be a communicator, a strategist, a leader. You'll understand not only how to sell, but why people buy. And once you understand that, you'll hold one of the most powerful abilities in the world. The power to move people, and with it, the power to change your own future.